Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am But Aisha from 10th standard, student of Alexandra Secondary School, Kupwara. Today I am going to perform an experiment of refraction through glass slab. Firstly, I will tell you what is a refraction. So, it is the process of bending of light when it enters from one medium to the another medium. There are two laws of refraction, and today I am going to prove the second law, that is sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. So let's begin. Now I will put the glass slab at this out mark, and you can see that it is the incident ray, and I have fixed two pins to make this ray visible. From this side I have fixed another two pins in such a way that all the four pins are appearing in a straight line. I will remove this glass slab and these pins. You can see that this is the incident ray, this is normal, and this is point of incidence. This ray was coming from the rarer medium to the denser medium, so it bent towards the normal. And from here, this ray is going from denser medium to the rarer medium, so it moved away from the normal. This ray has to go in this direction. But when it entered from one medium to the another medium, it changed its path, and the distance between these two lines is called the lateral shift. It was an experimental demonstration about refraction. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.